It's a moment of peak tension. A funeral, a serious argument, or a medical crisis. Suddenly, you feel it, a bubble of laughter rising in your chest. You aren't happy, yet you can't stop. You feel like a monster. You feel cold, cruel, or insane. But psychology reveals that this nervous laughter is actually a sign that your brain is working overtime to protect you. This is called incongruous affect. It's an emotional response that doesn't match the situation. It's not a lack of empathy. In fact, it's often the exact opposite. Pillar 1, the pressure valve. When the amygdala, the brain's alarm system, is overwhelmed by fear or sadness, it triggers a massive spike in cortisol and adrenaline. To prevent a total emotional collapse, your brain seeks an emergency exit. Laughter is the fastest way to release that built-up pressure, forcing a burst of endorphins into your system. Laughter instantly lowers your heart rate and resets your nervous system. It's not that you think the situation is funny, it's that your body is desperately trying to stay functional. Pillar 2, the empathy paradox. Research suggests that people who laugh in serious situations often have higher than average empathy. They feel the pain so deeply that it becomes unbearable. Psychologists call this dimorphous expression. It's the same reason we cry at weddings or squeeze cute babies. We use an opposite emotion to regulate an overwhelming one. Pillar 3, social buffering. Evolutionarily, nervous laughter served as a signal to the tribe. It was a way of saying, I am terrified, but I am not a threat. It de-escalates tension within a group. By laughing, you are unconsciously trying to tell those around you that the situation can be survived, even if you don't believe it yourself. Pillar 4, cognitive dissonance. When the reality of a situation is too horrific to accept, laughter acts as a denial mechanism, giving the brain a few seconds to catch up. This gallows humor is common among doctors, first responders, and soldiers. It isn't a sign of being jaded, it's a tool for psychological resilience. The rule, the 5-second reset. If you feel an inappropriate laugh coming, don't fight it. That only increases the tension. Instead, bite your lip or take a sharp, cold inhale. Mindset shift. Stop judging your biology. You aren't a monster. You are a person with a highly sensitive nervous system that is trying to keep you from breaking. Next time it happens, acknowledge the stress, not the laugh. Your brain isn't being cruel, it's being protective. Because when you understand the why, you master the who.